What's up, guys? You are welcome back, and we want to start installing WordPress. But first of all, we'll go to HostGator. Click on the link below. The link below will take you to this interface, and the link is very good. And once you click there, we can start creating your website. Now, to get started with hosting, just click on Get Started, and then from here you can choose which hosting plan you want. The main difference is this one here is have make you only have one WordPress, but this one here will allow you have unlimited WordPress. This one is just 2.75 per month. This one is 3.95 per month. So it's totally up to you which one you want. If you know you have a lot of website, you choose this one. But if you just have one website, you can simply click this one, buy this one. And one of the greatest things with HostGator is they give you a free domain name. So that is something like google.com, chrissmith.com. So you can search for something like that, search for your name, and if that one is taken, they will highlight it this red. So take this one for now for this purpose of this course, this tutorial. Then when you go down, you can turn off the domain privacy to save you some money. It's almost $50 per month, and you don't really need that. Next off is your package type. It's already on 36-month plan, but it's cheap when you go that long though. But for this tutorial, just we'll go for the 12 months per month. You can take it 1 month, but for this tutorial we'll leave it at 12 months. We'll go for the 12 months plan for now. That one is very good. Then you have to create a username. So you put your username, then your security pin is used for when you want to contact customer support. You will need that one too. The next step is your billing information, your email address, your name, and other stuff. Then you can put in your card data. Then if you go down here, they want to sell you some few things, but you really don't need to buy any of them. For example, you can switch this one off. It's almost $23 a year. You don't need that. And even the side backup, we have a plugin to attend to that one. So then you review everything. Then you click on the check that button. Then we'll get to the final stage. We'll be designing our website. So just get started by check out now. Then so you've now created an account on HostGator. So now we are going to install WordPress. It's very easy, just follow along. The first thing you need to do is to go to the left side and you click on the hosting, and then you see the domain name that you've registered. Is the status there is active. It has to show active for you to know that you have activated. And you just click on a cPanel, which will take you to where you can install WordPress. Just find this icon, install WordPress, by clicking on it. It will take you to this interface. Now here you can select your domain name, the one you purchased. Just select it, and then you click next. From here you can add your website title, your admin username, which you will use to log in, your first name and your last name. Then you can also add your email address, which you will use for if you have need for login some stuff. So you have to have your email. Then today you agree to the terms of service and you install. Fantastic. Your selection is complete, and now you can simply log in. and they want to sell you all this stuff, but you don't need to. Just simply grab your username there and then you log in. Then you put your username you choose and a password that they gave you. You can click on the remember me and you log into WordPress. So when you get to WordPress dashboard, it will look like this. All this pre-installed stuff. You don't need all this. So what I would recommend is you just go to your plugins and click on plugin, and when you come here you scroll down, you select their plugin, this one there, and you select all of them. You go to deactivate and apply, and you go back there, you click again, you go there and you delete and you apply. This one is going to fill up your WordPress and allow you to install fresh plugins, and we don't need all this stuff. And once that step is done, you can go back to dashboard and to get started. Go back to the dashboard. So here, this is our WordPress dashboard, and we are ready to set a website using Elementor. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to install a plugin. That plugin is called Astra, and you come to add new on that plugin, then you search for Astra. Astra will help you to organize your website. So you type in Astra, you search for Astra, then this is the Astra, this very one. This one is a starter template, and you are going to install this one, and it also install Elementor automatically. Then you can install it. When you activate, when we have all those templates in our WordPress, what you're going to do now, you go to see library, and it will take you to here where you can see all the templates that they have here in Elementor. So as you can see, there are a number of different templates that comes with this, and they are so incredible. Some of them are paid, some are free, but this site we are going to, it's a free course, so we are going to go for a free one. So why pay when you can get a free one? So to see the free one, you go to up here and you say you choose free. Then all these ones they are all free. You see there are still a lot of free template that you can use for your WordPress, for your website here. So they are very easy to change and do what you want to do if you are using Elementor. For today we are going to use this one. This one it's called the Mountain Theme, and it comes with so much things that, and in fact it's very fantastic. So you have the about page. This is the about page. The custom layout is very okay. The service page also, the contact page also. Again, all of these are very easy to edit with Elementor. So once you are happy with your theme, you can just click import complete sites. So the whole site will be imported. And once you import, it will take just 1 or 2 3 minutes for the whole website to be installed into your WordPress. So okay, well, we have imported it successfully. Once it's done, you click view, visit the site. Then what you see is we will have already website that is full shot already. So as you can see now, just these few minutes, we now have this beautiful website. We have these images down, services, a lot of things that you will see already just by clicking. You can import this website into your WordPress. Now this one is just yours now. What you do with it is totally up to you. One great thing is responsive. You can move this thing here. It goes in and out. It works perfectly, not only on computer but also on iPad and mobile phone. So as since it's an Elementor we are using, we're going to edit this website with Elementor. Once we install Astra, it install Elementor to start now. Just go to the top and click edit with Elementor. So as you can see now, we have the Elementor panel here. One of the great things about using Elementor is that you can use it to edit anything, like everything here, without even coding. You can add the text by scrolling, add text by just scrolling, taking your cursor there, and you click on it, and you delete that one. Then you can start typing and put anything. So let's create a website for a wedding company. So we'll call this wedding services. I will call the, let's say, welcome to Los Angeles. Let's build a foreign website so that it will look okay. And we can also change the text here. This subtitle, we can change it, we can erase it, so we help you have a perfect wedding day. Let's put something like this. And even the buttons here, we can easily change them. We can change this one by clicking it, selecting it, and we make this our services. And we can also we can change the about to our story. That's looking fantastic already. We can even change the background image there. Here we can change it. One of the greatest place we can get images is on Splash. When you go to your Google, or just type unsplash.com, and you will have a lot of free images here that you can use all for free. Unsplash.com, that's the website. Go to unsplash.com and you can see many. Let's search for wedding and we'll see a lot of wedding pictures. This one here, it will be a fantastic image for that hero image. So we're gonna save some of them, then we'll come back. Then okay, now we already have some images on our PC now from Unsplash. So we are going to use them to edit this page as it is. So if you want to change the background image, what you're going to do is very simple. You just, with Elementor, all you need to do is you just right click on anything you want and edit it, and it will allow you to edit it. So let's right click on this background image and click edit section. Now what you want to do is we want to change the style. So go to style here, and you can see that this is the image that is already there. So what do you want to do? We can click on it, choose image. It will take us to we can drag this photo out here, and we can just upload like this from file explorer. We put it there. Once that's finished uploading, you just click on it, insert, and it will come here direct. Now you see how it is shaped very okay here. So what we're going to do is, perhaps let's change this thing a little bit, because we have a background overlay here. Let's change the background overlay. So we'll go to background overlay, and I think I'll change the color to a more darker color. That looks a little bit better. We can also change the opacity and how dark it is simply by sliding this thing on Elementor. I think that there is okay. It's okay there. it's okay. But now if you want to save anything, just simply click update and everything will be saved. And it's very important you do it so that you will not lose any of your work. So what if I want to change this button right there? All I need to do is click on edit, and you can see we have the text color here on this panel, which is blue. Blue is nice, but I want to change the color on hover. So to change it, all you need to do is click on hover, which will change the background color to let's say perhaps a gold color or something like a gold. So let's do something like that. Now you can see that when I hover over it now, it now changes to a nice gold color. You can go a little bit lighter, and there we go. Let's change the text color to that gold too, so that it will match it. Alright, let's have a look at now. When we have hover over it, you can see it looks nice. Let's click on updates again, and let's take a look at our website. Now here is a website that we just edited. It started to take shape. We now have this text here. We have the nice text here, and then the background image, and these buttons, and the hovering that we just changed. We can notice that the people here are kind of cut off. We can change. We can go back to Elementor. We right click on this photo. What we can do is go to background, and we can change the where. We can change where the photo should be centered. Currently it's on top center. We can change it to center, and we update again. Now let's look at it again. When we refresh it, you can see that they are a little bit higher up, and that is better than before. It's nice because kind of shape the text around there, and people right there with the mountains and everything. It looks great. Let's scroll down a little bit and take a look at let's look at what we can change with Elementor here. And again, these things are very easy to change. All you need to do is right click and click on edit color. Let's change the style again, and you can see the current image there. Let's click on choose image, and we'll drag it to the side, and we'll drag photos in. I think let's use this one here. That looks very good. Simply click insert media, and then that's the first one. Let's do it for the second one to edit column. Go to style, choose image, drag in an image, and let's use this one. When it has finished uploading, you click on OK, then insert media, and then you can change the last one too. What do we do again? Simply right click, edit column, go to style, choose image, and it's so very simple to do. We'll drag another one inside here and allow it to upload. So you see what we've done just within this little time. Let's insert that one too. So as you can see, we now have these beautiful photos here, but we do have this text here we need to still change. As you know, it could be difficult to do, but with Elementor you can, and with WordPress is very easy. So let's simply type in what you want here. So maybe we can do let's say dinners. We could also change this one to ceremonies, and maybe we can let's say photography. So these are the services that the company we offer here. So it's cool like this, and it's simple to do. As you can see, we can scroll down now and take a look at this section right here. Again, is simple. All we need to do is click on it and type in what you want to be there. Because we have this great template already, it's very easy. We could maybe a little bit. Let's say we've been making wonderful weddings since 1999, and we can also write some text here, and perhaps we could change this button there to say our story. And as you can see now, this button is still blue. Let's change it to keep it a little bit nicer. We'll go to style again. On the hover, we change it. Oh no, that's not where we are going. We'll go to hover and choose. Let's choose the gold color again and to correspond with the other ones. And now you see the hover. When we hover over it, it's now gold. Of course, we can make it even a little nice. We just first of all, let's update first. It's very important to always keep updating your work. So next up here, we have a nice section here called a parallel effect section. As you can see, rather than the website moving without photo, it simply glide, and the photo is still there and it's cool. We have a call to action there. We can let's change it to get in touch with us. Then we can also what we want to do now is perhaps change it to an image. So again, like we did on our image, what we could do is right click on edit section, we go to style, and again it's simple to do so, and we choose image, and oh no, let's put another image here. No, this one is good. Drag that one on and upload that image, and you can see we have a great photo here. That really makes it stand out, and as you scroll up and down, it just look great. And we don't like this blue background, so let's tweak it a little. I will go to background overlay. We change the second color, just make it a darker color. You can make it a little bit lighter, but perhaps let's take this one. This one is okay. Again, when that we update again, let's take a look at our website. You see our website is taking a good form. So you see our image, see our text, dinner ceremony, photography section. We can easily link these things as well. Yes, and then check our story. Okay, but that's how we put it. It's okay. And down here we have a lot of features here. What you want to do is let us make our website cool. Let's make it. Let's go to YouTube and let's bring a video inside, like a background video. So we go to YouTube and search for wedding videos, and let's find a nice wedding video. Okay. This one is good. You copy the link and you come back to our Elementor page. What you need to do is, rather changing this thing to image, we go to background type, we go to from classic. Now there's an icon there. We click this video. When we click on the video, we just need to insert that YouTube URL inside that link. And once you paste it there, watch, see what will happen. We will now have the video playing automatically. So you see the video using the effect that was already there to you see. It's good that way, and it looks very impressive when people come to visit your website. Let's go up there again and what we are going to do now is you see how easy it was to just set up all these things, and see how beautiful your website is just within some minutes. You see how you can get this website, and you see it's very fantastic. You can use any video. You can just copy the link, go there and insert the link there, and it depends on the website you are building. You see, if you want to be showing products, it's just cool. But here we have a cool section here, and this is a gallery, and gallery are very easy to use in Element. So what you want to do is, all we need to do is right click and edit basic gallery. You see we have all the images here which it's already there. All we need to do is click on it, and then you see all of them here. We can move these around if we want to. We can change where they are, or if you want to add more gallery photos, you can just click add to gallery. We can drag it to the side, and we can drag some photos in. Let's simply drag this one in, then this one, then maybe this one, then we'll drag them inside, and then they are going to upload, and you will see that this is very easy to create a gallery. So here you can show off photos if you want to. So once they are inside, so what we need to do is add to gallery. They are added, and you will see that they are in our gallery here. We have these other photos. If you want to delete any of them, all you need to do is simply delete them by clicking on the X. We can move things around, we can change their position. Let's bring this onto the front. We insert, and you will see the new photos we inserted. They are already here, and you see how good and nice it's looking. Let's change the color. Okay, now what you just did made them large, made them even larger. Let's update them again, and then we refresh the website. Then we click on refresh, and you can see we now have our own photos in the gallery. We've removed some of the old one. You see, when we click on any of them, it comes up in a live box, and you can scroll from one photo to the other with this nice sliding effect. What about if you want to, for example, add a title up here? That's easy with Elementor, very easy. So in Elementor there are already preview section. So what we want to do is go to this top right, that little icon, we click on it, then you see this tick icon, that is heading. So to add this, we just click on it, hold and drag to this point, and once you drop it there, you will see it's already there. You can edit it and say some of our wedding photography, and that's simple as that. But I like to have it in the center, so what you need to do is align the text to the center. That looks very cool. You can also make it bigger or smaller if you want. You can go from small to large, or even extra large. You can, let's leave it at extra large. Now you can get detail with Elementor. Let me just show you the basics. For example, if you want to adjust the padding on this to make it a little bit blur, all you need to do is go to advanced over here, and you can adjust the padding or the margin. It doesn't really matter, but it's very similar. You can simply make it a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. It's so simple. All you need to do is follow this tutorial and you're gonna be good. Again, what I want to do is click update. Let's check our website again. Let's have a look. Fresh, and let's go down. We got all our great section here, and here this is our gallery. You can see what we just did, the padding and everything, and of course you can look at them. Let me just leave, and then down here you have a footer, and if you want to change the footer, we can easily change. But I think what we'll do right now is actually going to another page. So let's go to services here. So we are on the home page, and the great thing is Elementor is that wherever you are, you can easily edit it without having to know how to code. So what we can do is go to our services page. All we need to do is go to the top there and click edit with Elementor. So you can see that wherever you are on the website, you can simply jump in and edit that page. So we can change it to our wedding services. Simple, click on that, and how about if we change the image? Now you right click, edit section, go to style, and you choose image. Let's click, we already have some of these one. We can simply bring one of these photos in. We'll click that one and add it here. Okay, what about if we change the image overlay? You remember, we go to background and change the color. Well, let's make it lighter, and that's okay. That is better. Then we click update again. Now if you want to see how your website look like on mobile, all you need to do is go down here towards this responsive mode, and you can click, you can see tablet there. You see you take the form of the tablet, so you are using it on tablet, and you need to check it on phone, and you see that the website is responsive, and so it adjusts depending on the size of the screen. Let's go back to desktop. We'll change some few things here again. Let's change this image here. Let's click on edit image and choose image. We can simply use one of these uploaded one. Let's go for this one, and start it. I will do it in here. Edit image, choose image, insert media. Also this one, edit image, choose image. It's just like that. It's very easy to just keep on doing it. And see how it is now. It's great. And now if you want to edit the text, you can highlight it and just like that. And just change it. Wedding planning, and even the service. Let's change the photography, and this service too. We can change it to videography. So that is, we make wedding videos too. Click on the updates, and if you go to the website again, all you need to do is go to the service section, click on the services, and see how what the changes. You can see the changes we've made already. Um, Now this wedding planning, we can add some text here. We can contact button there, and there are photography, the videography, and you can also add some frequently asked questions as well. What about our contact page? Let's go to the contact. We want people to contact us, so again we can go to the edit with Elementor, and Elementor will now load, and back to this interface. We can change the image. Let's go for another one. Just keep it as good as you can. We have inserted the image. You know how to do all this stuff. Then even had a map. Yeah, this one comes with a map. You can edit the map also. To edit, you just click on the right, and you can change the location. And since we are using Los Angeles, we're still going to type in Los Angeles, and just you can see the location where you insert it. You can see it here. So if you can, you can even put your image there. You can increase or reduce the zoom amount. Let's zoom in a little bit, and perhaps we'll zoom into 15%. That looks good. Now you can even change the style as well. There is so much you can just do with this. Again, when you're happy, just click on update and go back and just look at our website. So quickly now, you see we have this image here. We have our buttons and our text. We've got these ones. We can link them to each other. We can link them to any of the page that's up there. We have the about page, and this area, you see how nice it is because of the background image we inserted there, the call to action, and see our gallery too. You can just go around. Also click on it, you can get the slider to see all of them. And when you go down here, you see our footage, you see our pages, everything is just okay. Our services, and just go around any the way you saw me doing. Then it's responsive. You see, can adapt to the screen of any device you're using. So we'll go back to the contact page, and we have a map. People can scroll the map. Users can scroll it, and it's just cool. And you see, we did all these things very quickly. Now, later on, we'll go to more depth about most of all these things, so that you can even do more